Thank you for visiting our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. Today we are making a layered mango mousse, and I've never had a layered mango mousse before. I don't know if you have tried it before. So for that, we take 2 packs of Jello mango jelly, and then we prepare it according to directions. And this jelly we're preparing for layering. So once the jelly is set in a container like this, you cut it into small squares just like so. Now we take 2 tablespoons of halal gelatin, and then we soak it in 4 tablespoons of water. Stir and mix well. Now we boil water and remove it from the stove and put our gelatin container just like that in the boiling water to melt it. Now we're going to take this melted gelatin and mix it with 4 cups of mango pulp and mix it well, stir well, and we put it to set. We now prepare our heavy whipping cream to mix this pulp in the heavy cream. We take 3 cups of cold heavy whipping cream and we beat it with half cup of sugar, which is added gradually, like a little portion at a time. And then we beat it really well. We can also use a hand blender. Beat until soft peaks form, and I'm just gonna show you how these peaks look. Here, you see the peaks. Now we fold this whipped cream into the mango pulp. Also reserve some whipped cream for decoration, which we're going to do in the end. Once we have mixed the whipping cream and the pulp very well together, we're going to start assembling. We will first layer is of diced mangoes and mango jelly. Then we will top this with the pulp and the whipping cream that we had mixed together. We're adding the first layer of the whipping cream and pulp that we had mixed together, and we will then top this with jelly and diced mangoes. Now we are adding the second layer of whipped cream mixed with pulp, and we are only using 2 layers of the whipped cream and pulp. Finally, we top with jelly and mango slices. Now we fill the bag with the reserved whipped cream that we had reserved in the beginning, and that only sugar is mixed with it. It's just whipped cream and sugar, and then we decorate it. This is totally optional. You can decorate it any which way you want. You can even add like blueberries or strawberries on the side or on the edges. Thank you for watching our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.